Hey guys, what's up? This is Mischief Maker TV, and today we have a special guest. We are going to be talking to Tanner from Rockslide Engineering about this one right here. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so here he is, the one and only Tanner.
How's it going, everybody? So I'm Tanner with Rockslide Engineering, and this is Miss OJ. The owner of the vehicle is actually also the owner of Rockslide Engineering. So we'll start off with our parts. We got the fenders, sliders. These are our step sliders with the built-in step. We also do the front bumper, as well as the fenders. This is our shorty style with full bar. This Jeep was actually put together by Dixie 4-wheel drive. Bryce and the guys put it together for Sema, and I picked it up, drove it straight to Sema, and that's where Dave walked in, the owner, and got to see it for the first time in the building. It's built on a Genright Elite suspension kit, Teraflex axles. It's also got a Genright tank, LS3 from Bruiser conversions. It's got a power Mytop. This is our shorty rear bumper. We do use it. He drives it to work any day that's sunny, really. But we take it out on the trails and use it as a Jeep. That's what it's for.
Nice. And I've been wheeling with you for the past couple of days. How does it feel to wheel? Because I know that people are used to seeing you in the wheelies, right?
Roxanne has kind of been my main vehicle lately. So driving this was a little bit different. The weight's very different. It feels far back. The wheelie's very centered. But it did awesome. I mean, everything I put it up against, it pretty much just walked straight up it. No hiccups, and got me there, got us home, and everything's good.
And you told me that you've not been the biggest fan of JKs.
Yeah, I've always a real Jeep has two doors. It's always been my thing. But I've kind of fallen in love with Miss OJ here. The suspension is incredible. It's like sitting on a couch. You just ride around and point it where you want it, tap the gas, and hold on. It's been a really good rig.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. Called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? But can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been.
Talk to us a little bit about inside, especially like the back seat. So there's no back seat here, right?
So everything was deleted in the back, and that's for the dogs. You will notice there's dog hair because the dogs ride everywhere in here. Dave and Sue have 2 labs. One's a brown lab and one is a yellow lab, and they're awesome. They go everywhere. You'll see them ride to work every day.
And what year is this Jeep?
It's a 2015.
2015.
They didn't do the orange for very many years. It's an awesome color. It looks so red in video, so I wanted to point out that it is very, very orange.
Well, hopefully we'll be seeing Miss OJ out here again soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Anytime, call us, we'll come down.
That would be cool. Well, thank you so much, Tanner. I really appreciate your time and walking around. Super awesome. And yeah, let's go hit the trails again soon.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, that is another episode of Mischief Maker done. And I really enjoyed talking to Tanner about OJ, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be seeing a lot more of OJ out on the trails this year. Now, if you guys are enjoying this channel, then please remember to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and don't forget that notification bell. You can still find your Mischief Maker hats at www.women-wheelers.com. And I guess until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later.